my amazing viewers. Thank you so much for joining me on my program once again. I appreciate you wherever you are connecting from. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Whenever you look my video, whenever you watch my video, share the video to all platforms. Share it to family and friends. Share it in your WhatsApp group so that people can get information on what is happening in the contraption called Nigeria, mainly against the Biafrans, against the Duduas, against the indigenous people in the contraption called Nigeria. I try as much as possible to set the record straight. I don't preach hate speech. I don't speak against people. I set the record straight. The only important thing I do here is to make sure that the plight of the people remains on the front burner and the world will know the true story of what is going on in the contraption called Nigeria. Remember, they will always change the narrative. The government will always try as much as possible to use the conventional media to change the narrative, but that I will not allow. In this platform, we'll set the record straight and we'll say it the way it is. Not preaching hate speech, not by talking down to anybody, but setting the record straight and bringing the information to the front burner and letting the world know the exact situation of things. Each time you watch my video, you can equally go to the comment section, put down your comment, say it the way you feel it. It's so welcome. You can criticize if you so desire, but do it constructively so that we can be able to learn from one another. That is why I'm here. And now, I'm going to share with you a very important video. I hope after watching the video from the beginning to the end, you're going to enjoy the video and you continue to stick around and be able to enjoy the rest videos that are going to be coming your way from time to time. Thank you so much for coming. Today, the video I'm going to share with you is a very important video. Okay.
No, I think there was let's stretch out so that they can get it. Yeah? Are you doing this, madam? Next time. Come on. It's okay. I'll need it
So how does that make you feel today? Adding that first one and adding that the execution has also expressed that displeasure that you are playing some gimmicks ensuring that the trial will not comment today.
I'm elated. I'm exhilarated. I'm confused that, like yesterday, God again on the throne today.
Turn your mic down.
And
Mic
God
down.
will be on the throne and the trial
Phone as well.
of this church. Go and look at it. It's Lamentations 3:37. Who is it that speaketh? And it will make it pass if God has not commanded it. So I want to say that God has taken over possession of this case. So we know that the judiciary is also, it cannot be intimidated. Even under military juntas, the judiciary refused to blow muted trumpets. It is not going to do it now under a democratic system. And the judge, the Judas, has so far shown that the judiciary should be looked upon as a last hope of the common man. And today's proceedings again demonstrate that after yesterday's proceedings, Ejiofor, myself, and my team of lawyers representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to work. We worked throughout the night, up to about 4 a.m. this morning, and we were able to generate a 42-page document attacking the entire 50 counts in the charge as being wordless, as being watery, as being of no moment, and as actually dying, or rather dead on arrival, as dead as dodo. We were able to generate about 34 grounds for the application. We believe that by the grace of God, by the time the judge calmly, dispassionately examines the step-by-step destruction of these counts, then, like I submitted in court, she will go to the next stage, which is to grant us our prayer too. And our prayer too is that there be no valid legal counts in the charge to defend. She should dismiss all of them and set free, that is, discharge and acquit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of any offenses. What the prosecution tried to do was to insist that because today was set down for hearing, that the trial must go on, notwithstanding the pendency of this application, which we have filed, and not also withstanding the pendency of a second application, a 26-page motion for bail. And I pointed out to the court that that was not the law. That is not the law. That the Supreme Court has held in several cases, serially, that once motions are pending before a court of law, even if the motions be frivolous or stupid, the Supreme Court actually used the word stupid or frivolous or meritorious, that the court is duty bound to look at that application, take argument, and then decide it one way or the other before the matter can proceed. And of course, our application is fundamental, it's intrinsic to this trial. And the judge agreed with us, telling the prosecution, there's no way you can tell me to start trial. What if we start trial and then the appellate court finally quashes whatever we do here? So she was right. That is the legal position. And because of that, she has determined that she will take first this application to quash the entire counts, the 15 count, and then if there's still any case to try at all, that is why we will now get to cross the bridge after getting there. So what the 16th of February has been set down for at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. 16th February 16, 2022. It's just for this application alone to quash the counts, the 15 count charge, and discharge and acquit Nnamdi Kanu. Because in law, you cannot put something on nothing
and expect it to
stay. It will collapse. I cannot imagine a house that has no foundation. It will collapse. So by the time the court hears us and takes a look at this application, she will discover that there's actually no case before her to waste the precious time of this honorable court, because the court is a busy court. there are many cases of the doctor, so that she can face other more important cases. This case is dead on arrival, as dead as Dodo. Dodo was a bird that existed in the southern part of Africa. Like the dinosaur, it is now extinct. It can never come back. So when something is as dead as Dodo, like this case, it means that the case is dead on arrival and is buried and cannot, like an apparition, rise up from the grave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Abuja. Bohi Ahaneze info na betata. One. Right, sir. Gachigwa Ahaneze info na betata.
Gawa against your only send the lawyer Nnamdi Kanu. How deep and sad. How about where is the ball? Madam George, where they give all the people you say, Libya achieved by 16th of February by 1 o'clock. Over back, I was here. Me, Nnamdi Kanu for charge, yeah, I'm charge, and not everybody. How you see? No, you had to when I put my house. Yeah, no, can only do food. Who may I know him? Can I make a
Keroli la nyinwe na 16th of February na abia ge mari pa no. Ogana tikiki nwete bail ya ka ato apia.
Nnamdi Kanu akwụkwọ ha jiri ọ bụrụ na ọ ga ọfụma Nnamdi Kanu ga-alawara onwe mbọsa agaghị ekwuzi okwu ma bee mana ọ bụrụ na
Ụlọikpe gwara maka na otetu esi hazie ebe obibi ya n'ebe ahụ ọ nọ. Kedu iche maka nke ahụ?
mana ndị ọkaikpe ha
Ndewo. Thank you so much. Ndewo, sir. Ụmụ Igbo na-alụla maka ka ikpe si wee gaa na ụlọikpe Nnamdi Kanu tata. Ha gwala ndị nta akụkọ na ikpe gara ọfụma na ha dekwara akwụkwọ ka atụfuo ikpe niile a mara Nnamdi Kanu tata. Ya na dekwa akwụkwọ ka atọhapụ ya ka ọ lawa bịa, mana dịka o si dị ugbu a kịta n'ụwa, ụlọikpe kwuru na a ga-anụ maka akụkọ ahụ ha dere maka ịtụfu ihe niile amara ya ikpe tata. Ha ga-anụ maka ya na 16th of February ebe elekere otu nke ehihie. Ọ dị ka ọ dị ugbu a nọ, anyị ka nọkwa na ụlọikpe High Court dị na Abuja. Unu chima ihe niile akpara na ihe niile mere n'ụlọikpe tata gaa na bbc.com/Igbo ọ gaa na bbcigbo.com. Ị ga-enweta akụkọ niile ihe mere n'ụlọikpe tata. Mana dịka ọ dị ugbu a nụwa, anyị ka nọkwa n'ụlọikpe. Enwe otu onye ọkaiwu chọkwara ịgwa anyị okwu gbasara ihe mere n'ụlọikpe taa.
Lawyer only see Mike Ozekhome, lawyer, Nana Tibu, our legal team, and lawyer Sina, the motion. We can pass, I hear level so I have to buy an last 16. Charge ya over here on the with live. All we had on the charge, and they are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So the 16th of February was I got moving. Remember, Daniel, the car now. You must is all the referendum, is all Biafra and Ethiopia. Una Halana, I got a switch to 20th tomorrow for referendum case. You can now find an ending of the law. And I know what to do. I have to buy. Make sure that I need to on the
ndị ụmụ Igbo na-anụ afọ ọnụ ọkaiwu anyị nụkwara afọ ọnụ ọkaiwu ndị na-ekwuchitere Naijiria ha gwara anyị na obi adịghị ha mma ka ndị ọkaiwu Nnamdi Kanu si bịa tata wee buru ikpe gbasara ịkagbu igbe ha mara Nnamdi Kanu na ikpe isi ka atọhapụ ya ka ọ lawa be ya ha gwara anyị na obi adịghị ha mma ka ha si mee mana anyị tinyekwa anya na Nnamdi Kanu jụrụ na ikpe niile amara ya na o kpebiri na ikpe ama ya n'ikpe ihe na-amara ya tata ma dịka ọ dị ugbu a na ịchọ ịma ihe niile mere n'ụlọ ikpe tata gaa na bbcigbo.com ị ga-enweta ihe niile mere n'ụlọ ikpe ma nke mere na iro ya ma nke mere n'ime ya ma ka ọ dị ugbu a anyị ga-achabi ya na-ewetakwara ụlọ akụkọ ka o si aga dịka ndị ụlọ ikpe asụala anyị ka anyị kwara ụlọ apụọ n'ime ụlọ ikpe anyị ka nọkwa na BBC News Igbo ị gakwa na peji anyị ga-afụkwa na anyị ka nọkwa n'iro na-egosi unu ihe na-aga n'iru kọta dị n'Abuja ndewo na ebugharị na ikpe Nnamdi Kanu gaa 16th of February n'ebe elekere 1 nke ehihie dịka ọ dị ugbu a kịta anụwa Nnamdi Kanu anachikwara n'aka ndị DSS mana okwu ha gwara anyị n'ime kwuru na okwu ndị ọkaiwu Nnamdi Kanu gwara anyị n'ime kwuru na obi dị ha ụtọ ka esi wee butere Nnamdi Kanu akwa ọhụrụ maazị Nnamdi Kanu akwa ọhụrụ oge dina nke ziri ezi nyekwana ya akwa ọ ga-eji na-edina n'elu akwa ọhụrụ ebutere ya na obi dị ha mma ọfụma na ndị DSS dobere iwu enyere gbasara ịgbanwe ọnọdụ Nnamdi Kanu mana otu ọ dịkwa ugbu a anyị hụkwara na uwe Nnamdi Kanu agbanwere ihe ha kwuru bụ na oge ohere adịrọ ichetara Nnamdi Kanu akwa ọhụrụ egolu ya tupu wee cheta ya so unu ka nọkwa na BBC News Igbo echi mara ihe ndị ọzọ mekwa n'ụlọ ikpe gaa na bbcigbo.com ị ga-afụ ihe niile mere n'ụlọ ikpe tata ma pikchọ ma vidiyo ihe niile ma foto ma onyonyo ihe niile mere n'ụlọ ikpe tata ndewonu.
Thank you so much for your patience to watch from the beginning to the end. I hope you have learned something from the video you have just watched. The video you have just watched is to bring information to your doorstep and for educational purpose. It is not to demonize anybody. Let us watch continuously and see who can be able to make a sense out of every nonsense we are seeing. We must continue. We move. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter what they say. They will kill us. We will kill them. At the end of the day, Biafra is here. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye-bye. See you again.